I think I've saved the best piece out of this Shelley small tea set we've been listing till last. This is the cake plate, square, probably 9 inch. Haven't measured it yet, but what a cracker! Just look at that. The handles initially are what pops, isn't it? With that gilt decoration, so beautifully picked out. It is moulded in, so it's relief moulded, all this scroll and feather marks, and then picked out so beautifully and accurately by the gilt decorator as a real expert of the craft. Wildflowers 13686 is the pattern reference. A beautifully curved square cake plate, as you can see, comes up, so drops down in the middle section here. Just look at that moulding. Just look, you see that, the way it comes right down and then up to the corners, and then these eared handles coming out probably to around 10.25, 10.5 inch. We'll put all the measurements on the website listing. Circular central portion, so it's not a flat cake plate that you could put a large round baked cake as such, but for sandwiches, smaller cakes, fairy cakes, those type of things, and buns, then absolutely fine. Marks on this, Shelley, green banner marks, wildflowers printed, that's the pattern name, and then the pattern number 13686 in decorator's hand script at the top there, in mint condition. Absolutely superb. Absolutely no condition warnings or notes on this piece at all. It's an absolute wonderful thing. We've got the teacup, saucers and side plate trios and milk jug and sugar basin in the same design. So a real opportunity for a Shelley fan to put a really nice little set together in wildflowers. Thanks for watching.